This is the elevator at the Newin Centre Mall in Mississauga, Ontario. It's a Dover. This is like some Asian mall. I'm gonna stop the camera until the elevator comes later. Alright, let's go to 2. Here at 2. This is the parking area. It's quite dirty up here. Let's go back down to G. This is in pretty good condition. But the round's good too. Let's go back up one more time. No emergency phone. It's been covered up. Back at 2. Okay, we're gonna go back to G now. This is a newer one because it does not have the blue and door open and close icons. Okay, let's get off. Door is very slow. Right, there it goes.